Hi there, Roberto here with Top One Marketing again with another Canva tutorial video. And in this video, we are going to show you how to make a pre-live stream video. Or in other words, a video that you can use as a countdown to precede your live stream. So without further ado, let's get right into this. So what we're going to do is we are going to what you want to do is you want to go to create a design and go to video, because what that does is it already presets the dimensions that you need for a lot of these live streaming platforms. Okay, so click on the video category and it will take you to this area right here. Okay, and so right here you can choose from a lot of video templates. Now what you're doing is for this purpose is you just want sort of like a page which is going to be a video, because it's going to have a countdown timer on it. So, but it's sort of like a page, maybe describing what the live stream is about. Have some information about your company or whoever you are, maybe your company logo, or whatever, and then the countdown timer. All right. So what we're going to do is let's go ahead and click and pick something like this. And so we're going to use something like this. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to remove this stuff here, right? Leave that text because we'll use that text. Let's remove him. Okay, and then let's go and let's start maybe with, a character. A lot of people like to use, themselves, pictures of themselves. I like to do that too, but I like my little character too. I like my little avatar. So I'm gonna pick my little avatar and I'm gonna remove the background. And we're just gonna drop him right there in the middle right there, okay? Next thing maybe I'll do is we will take my logo and we'll shrink it down real quick. Let's go ahead and drop him right in there. Maybe slant it like that, okay? And then we'll change this text to maybe let's do workshop, and then how to create your website from scratch. Okay, and so let's go ahead and kind of shrink that down a little bit, see if we can get it to fit in here. Yeah, I think that'll work maybe, right? And then lastly, what we're going to do is let's go ahead and go to the countdown. So we got to go to videos. In order to find a countdown video, go to videos and put countdown timer, okay, or countdown, and then you'll have a whole bunch of countdowns that you can use. A lot of them are seconds. You won't find a whole lot of minute ones, minute on up, but you will find them. You can also put like um, 5 minutes countdown. Okay. If you want it longer, if you want 1 minute. So you can take this and you can drop right in there. Shrink it down. Right. And so there you go. There's your countdown timer. If you want to kind of encase it into something, maybe you can go to elements, go to frames. Let's put a little laptop in there. Shrink it down. And just drop that right in there. Okay. And so there you go. There is, a pre-live stream video, right? Counts down all the way to when you're ready to start the live stream. All right. There are other countdowns in here as well. You can take this, you can drop it in there. Oh, where'd my guy go? I lost my guy, huh? Okay, anyways. So yeah. And then here's another one right here that you can use. Right? And then if you want to know how to remove the backgrounds in these countdown timers, these black backgrounds, then I will pin a video card up top there, or you can look in the description and I will link a video showing you how to remove these backgrounds in these countdown timers for free. If not, then you should be able to go into the DaVinci Resolve playlist and I will have one in there. So that's it. So that's what you do. Let me find my guy real quick because it's kind of awkward. Let's see. Where my guy at? Oh, my guy. Okay, there he goes. Right. So if this video was helpful, we would appreciate it if you would like, share, subscribe to our channel so that the next time we come out with one of these awesome tutorial videos, you will get notified. Thank you, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.